What is up, guys? It's Nick B here, and today we got something real special. Hopefully special, but essentially it's gonna be higher lows and lower highs. Let's get right into this thing. I'm not sure how exactly this is gonna work out. I'm looking at a trade right now that I thought worked out, but we'll go ahead and see how if it actually works out. So here we go. So I'm looking at this particular trade. We'll go back in throughout this day and just take a look. So we only took about 4 trades today, which is absolutely sad compared to how much the market moves, and especially since we're using a Heikin Ashi. And I don't want to switch back to the other chart just to have more swings and have more trades and go in for the nicer cleanup setups, or I guess. But there's something we missed for a long time, which is also implemented in a lot of strategies, which is higher lows and lower highs. If you guys remember watching this way back when, we used to trade max strategy, but we just couldn't. It wasn't for us. It just didn't work out for us. Obviously, we only tried for maybe a couple months, but it works out for a lot of people, I think. Just I don't know. I want to create one, you know. That's not the real reason. It's just I couldn't. I didn't like being not in control, essentially. I hated the fact that I would blame Mac strategy instead of myself. So here I could just blame myself and just keep adjusting and adjust and adjust. Anyway, we have this swing low. So actual swing low, clear swing low, and then we come up on the next thing. The question here is whether or not it pushed lower first or higher first. If it pushed higher first, there's a good chance we might have gotten burned. Let's see, 2, 4, 6, 8. Yep, we would have gotten burned if it pushed up first. But if it pushed down first, actually market opened right here and pushed up first, so there's a good chance it did push up first, then push down and close right here. There's a good chance that happened, which could be a bad burn on our end. But if you would have bought there correctly, you would have got it. So essentially what it is our strategy, but includes higher lows and lower highs, and it's a little weird for me to comprehend at first, but I'm still gonna get it. Still have to take time to get used to it. But essentially here you have a break of this trend. You can't like drag this out way over here. Well, I guess you can, but even doing that, overall trends are going to be down. You have these massive moves. The last time we tested this, other side for an overall trend up is way over here, and we could talk about this. What one also works out with the higher low, lower high. But then you have this low, and then overall trend's going to be down. So you're already looking for a buy. So you're just going to go for a 1 tick buy right above that guy, and you would be in the trade, and you would have gotten that scalp. And yeah, let's go. Let's just talk about this trade right here, since we see it already. So overall trend is going to be down, right? Then you bounce off of here. Now overall trend is going to be up. So what are you doing? An uptrend in our strategy? You're for sell. But in this case, you're not going to be entering right above there or below this guy. You want a good entry. So you go for the non-obvious or the 4-point entry. So the bar closes 61 3/4. So you want to be entering 4 points above that, just -1 right here. So 65 50.5. So you would enter the trade right there. Roll turns up, you're going for the sell. Also you could be selling in swing low, first entry, second entry right there, and that would work out. So let's go ahead and rewind all the way back to 8 o'clock, and let's take a look at all these trades and on these higher lows and lower highs, and see if they actually work. This is a mainly study video, of course. All right, we have a clear, not so clear actually. You have clear ones up here. So I don't know if I would take this. This is a clear swing low, so I would wait for the higher low here. And it looks like we don't get one, but yeah, so I wouldn't take this just because you have a high there and a high there, and it's just not the clearest. This is the clear swing high, this is the clear swing low. Sorry for all this sniffing, but yeah, now we got a clear swing low right there. Waiting for that higher low. We don't really get it. Nope. doesn't look like. We got a clear, semi-clear swing high. That one's kind of iffy. I don't like that one, so maybe we may not be. Yep. Okay, it's clear swing low. There's your clear swing high. Let's see. I mean high or low. Alright, so this may not be a good example. I did look at another trade and we want it to be further out than this high or low. We want it to be at least a couple bars or a nice trend before having that higher low or lower high. And this is not that, so maybe we'll just go ahead and skip that out. And I don't even want to figure out what we're gonna do there in that position. But this could be it right here, or even this could be it. But that's already 1, 2 highs in there, and maybe not the cleanest setup. But let's just go ahead and see what we would do if we were really pushing it and wanted to get into the trade. This morning's market was just absolutely weird. It would push up 1 tick and then just keep going all over the place, and it kept doing that continuously. I guess there was a lot of trailers or whatever. Alright, so overall trend looks like it's just gonna be down. Unfortunately, yeah, we would have to go for a buy, and I think we do get stepped out on this unless we can find a trend that actually fits here. You can see a kind of a bottoming pattern, but in that low potentially, so overall trend could be up. Yeah, I like it. 1, 2, 3 tests, so overall trend is up. Actually, yeah, I do like it. You put it like that, you can see that it's a tiny break there, but not a break. And confirm there. Midline's reacting nice. Trend's actually gonna be up after hitting that. And you would wait for a nice higher low, so eventually you would be waiting for that one, but then you get to push down. That'd be a nice one. I don't know how this works out actually, so we would be going for a sell. And we'd be in the market, we would get burned. Actually, hold on. I think we actually get this one. Let's see. That bar closes at 50, so our interest would be low 25. We would get in at low 25 here. And it'll be 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So it would have came to the tick. To the tick. And then we would get burned. But that's a pushy one, so even for a pushy one that did pretty well. Yeah. Alright, now we have this clear swing high. Then we got the lower high right here. Just a tiny bit lower, but it is a lower high. So as of right now, we don't really care too much about signal bars, I don't think. And so let's go ahead and see what we do here. He had a swing high, lower high, so clear trend up in that direction, right? Hitting that, it is a spike for sure. Could be like this, potentially something like this, maybe. Nonetheless, it looks like overall trend's actually going to be up. I kind of want to rewind back to the minute chart just to see what that would even look like. Huge push up, I think that's it. Push down, little push up. Okay. Right about there. It looks like overall trend's going to be up. It corrected a lot of this move, more than half. It's already in that 3/4 zone, so overall trend could be up. It has a little bit of backup on the low side, so I would go for a sell, maybe right below that guy. I'm trying to double think everything. Yeah, I don't see a trend. Sell, and it looks like we would have got it. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look at the next trade. Look for one. Oh, right here. It's clear swing low. I think it's pretty clear. Then you have the higher low right there. Let's see what we would do. Overall trend's definitely looking up. Unless there's a trend to declare an overall downtrend, I think this is going to be a sell. So let's go ahead and do a non-obvious sell. And it looks like it works out. Let's go. Now, I don't usually like these where it's like not the clear swing high. It's clear swing low. But let's wait for a better setup. Okay, that's a little bit better. Higher low right here. So it looks like overall trend could be down because we have a lot of resistance here in this area, and this is something we kind of came up with on the spot, especially since we had that second entry as well. Yes. Oh my gosh, I left the recording. Okay, well, swing low, there's your high and low. Its overall trend would be down, so you go for non-obvious. Oh. Hold on. Overall trend is up. Trend is down, so you would go for a buy. This should work out. Okay, clear swing high. Let's see. Ooh, hello. Like it. 3 bars. Good push. Or overall trend is down. Do we have a trend? Probably. Bounced off nothing really. Nothing to use off of. Overall trend is gonna be down. Non-obvious buy. Oh, I don't like the non-obvious buy because I think we get stopped up there. Overall trend is down, that means non-obvious buy on this one. I think we get stopped out. Let's see where our entry would be at least. 75, so order would be right here, 71. See what happens in the trade. Two, 4, 6, 8, 10. Come on, just a little bit more. Oh, we would have been so close to getting that one. Unfortunate, man. Dang. Man, we were one tick away from getting that. One tick away. Getting that scalp, brother. Damn. Sell wouldn't work either. You'd be entering at low 50 and it comes up to low 50, high 75, so I think there's something wrong with our strategy for the whole 12-point scalp. Maybe we should be scalping 8 points instead. We sold here 2, 4, 6, 8. That would have been the scalp. That would have been that scalp. Do we start doing 8-point scalps again? Nothing really. Okay. Don't really like that push down, but it is the high or low. Do we like that? Do we want better pushes? I don't think so. I think a higher low is a higher low. And that is a liar hole. Oh my gosh. A higher low. Bouncing off of there. One trend is up, so sell, not obvious. Oh, but that's a massive spike. We don't usually like spikes unless they're all spikes. And that one is a massive spike, so overall trend's just gonna be down. Buy. Okay, so that works out. There's a lower high there, but I would want a little bit more of a leg. Overall trend would be up. Would it be up? This point, did it correct the entire move? 931 right here. I don't like it. I would wait for a better leg. Right, kind of a clear swing low. This might be pushing it though. I usually don't like them like that. Or not yet. Usually, like, we've been doing this a long time, so let's just wait for a better one. Like this. So that's a clear swing high. Okay, wait for it to swing low, which is right here. Let's see, what are we doing here? It's a massive push down. Let's see what it looks like on the minute chart. Huge push down. Okay, pretend we didn't see that. Two-legged move. Trend might be up. Corrected this entire leg up, so overall trend. Then it pushed down again, but there's no indication of reversal. Overall trend should be up. So non-obvious. So no, a sell right below that guy, right below that signal bar. Sell. In the trade. Nice. Would I have stopped this if it pushed up? After 2, 4, 6. No, we're good. Alright, alright. Okay, getting somewhere. Clear swing low. Alright. Alright, I like that higher low. So what is happening here? Do we have a trend? I think we do have a trend. Overall trend could be actually up there. We drew this out earlier. So I don't think it worked out. So not an obvious sell. Oh, no trade. Well, it looks like a sell would have been okay there. Clear swing low, and it looks like we had this trend here from what I remember. And so, there's your higher low. Overall trend's gonna be up. Go for a non-obvious sell here. In the trade. And you actually get the scalp here. Just by a little sell. 75 low. High. Enter 75 high here. And 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Easy scalp. Beautiful scalp. We see we bought there as well in that swing low first entry, non-obvious. Actually right off that key entry point right there. Now I don't like this setup here with this unclear high thing. Alright, but then we have a clear swing low here, and I think we talked about this one. Didn't we talk about this one? I don't know. Overall trend just down. I think we did. It's a massive spike in there. I don't like that. That's kind of pushing it. We also had this like double top first entry, second entry we bought here. I think it was overall downtrend, and it should be. I think it's a 20%, unfortunately. But then we have this higher low, so we buy right there, and that would have been the scalp. And actually, we didn't talk about that trade. Interesting. So let's look for another one. Okay, sort of clear swing high. Not too soon. Better leg. Double top. Over high. There it is. Let's see. What are we doing here? We know exactly which direction this goes, but I could still stop us out. Oh, so the drawing of this trend, this one's gonna be interesting. There's two ways to draw this. We could draw it like that, right? But then you leave out this entire chunk of the trend. I feel like this is just significantly more right. It just looks correct after the spike in channel. So looking at it that way, you have this break of a channel. So swing high first entry, nothing really to use off of here. Spent a lot of time working on that one, but I realized it's swing low, then there's a tick lower there, and then this one, so it's not really in our strat. So swing high, let's figure out what we're doing here. Overall trend looks like it's just up, no indication of reversal. Go for a sell right below there. Ooh, I don't like this. Okay, cool. Yeah, so maybe we'll give it a shot, do some playbacks. Yeah, that's basically it. The discussion of floor highs and high lows and how it's gonna work. We're gonna try to implement it. I'm gonna try put it as many days. I'm actually probably just gonna scroll through all of this. Yeah, you know what? Let's just do it right now. Why not? All right, June 14th, yesterday. Clear swing low. This is at the 8:30 opening, so maybe it might be a chance for stuff to go on. That we can actually start trading at 8:30. Looks like we might actually have a clear trend here. I gotta go see my daughter real quick. Alright, let's figure out what we're doing here. The swing low. Looks like overall trend's just gonna be up. We don't really use this unless we bounce. The only time we use a trend line or it's like using that or cliche setup. We have high or low. Overall trend is up. Go for the sell and non-obvious. Okay, that's our signal bar then. Oh no, that's our signal. Do we not get in this trade? Technically it's just a slope down, so this is still our signal bar. Non-obvious entry, so 50 right here, and almost in the trade. Oh, do we not get in? It breaks lower first, maybe. So maybe this is our signal bar, and maybe we can enter on the 25. And if that's true, we would get in at the tick and get the scalp. Interesting. Okay, next trade. Don't like this one, so we're gonna skip out on that. Clear swing low, and potentially there's our high and low. Let's see what we want to do. Yeah. Okay, so okay, well, all right, there it is. So definitely opened here, but pushed up or down is unknown, because the bar opens in the middle since we use a Heikin SG. So overall trend's gonna be up since we bounce off of this trend line. Let's go for a sell. So non-obvious sell. It's hard to tell. If it broke lower first, that means this is our signal bar. So entry would be at low 75. So right up here in this area is where we would get into the trade now. We would be selling. Did we get it? Did we get it? I don't know if we actually got it. Let's see. So it's hard to tell. Trade below 75. I don't think we get it. Oh wait, let's see. Oh, 51.75 plus 4 is 55.75. All right, it's around, yeah. So 2, 4, 6, 8. Our stuff's right here. We actually get it. Let's go. Let's freaking go. Clear swing high. Let's go. So far, wait, this has 100% success rate so far. I don't know how many trades we did. I'm gonna say 6 so far. I'll make that one the 6, being generous. If we actually, but that's already 6 trades in a row. We're done. This is the strategy. No way. It can't be. Could it be? Clear swing high. There's 0 lower high. Waiting for that setup. So what are we doing here? Overall trend could still potentially be up. Unfortunately, we can't look at the miniature because we're so far off. But let's see if we can figure this out ourselves. Maybe if we go like this, we can see what the miniature would potentially look like. So it looks like overall trend is up until we really start to push back there. And this kind of just looks like a test as well. So hopefully trend is up. Unless there's some sort of trend we do not see. It could be this, but that's kind of pushing it. So up, sell, and non-obvious. Or sell at the low of this guy actually. Okay. Now what do we do? That's a bit of a pickle. Now we just stay out of this trade because, yeah. But, oh wait, clear slowing low. So this is technically our signal bar. It's a massive one. Looks like overall trend could still potentially be up. We bounced off of there, tested it again, that level, and I don't know. Actually, it could be down. I have a feeling it could be down. Sell at a non-obvious. So that's our higher low. Sorry. Pretty sure I pushed up first, then down. Once the bar closed. Wait. The bar is kind of weird, but hey. So 54.75, 58.75 is our entry. Right, yeah. Oh, comes to the tick. Oh, fulfilled. Selling. Oh, we were so close, dude. Hold on. Wait, 50. Okay, hold on. This bar is our. So our entry is right here. 55 plus 4. It's 59 is our entry. Oh, we definitely don't get it. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 right here, dude. It's that 8-point thing again. Basically I was just recording that this was going to be an 8-pointer and a loss as well. Unless of course we read it wrong. No, we went for the swing low first entry, second entry buy as well. Also a weird setup, weird leg, who knows. But that's a good one. Oh, it's a cliche. Look at that. Look at that. Nice cliche move there. I guess the only one of the downsides is we're going to be missing on some trades. Clear swing low. Higher low right there. Let's see. What do we want to do? It looks like we might have a trend, but it looks a little bit too flat for me. Yeah, it's a little bit too flat. Looking, maybe, potentially. We could take it like that. So overall trend is down. That means we go for a buy. Unfortunately, I don't think that's gonna work out. But let's see. Right above there. Go. 7 wins, 1 loss right now. Sorta. Alright, from our testing at least. Swing high. There's 0 lower high. Oh, we also took this in real time. Let's see. So it looks like it breaks higher first, then lower, just because of where we entered. So overall trend looks like it's gonna be up, which means sell unless there's a significant high. Oh wait, I remember this trade. There was a lot of resistance at this level. See that? Being tested again. Oh gosh. I gotta think. Okay, I forgot where we were. Oh yeah, this trade. Break. Insignificant high, I think, in my personal opinion, so I'd go for a sell, and I think we get burned here. Unfortunately. Meh. I think we read this wrong. It's a pretty significant high, so if you're breaking there, you want to go for the buy. So, actually a non-obvious buy would be the play here, and you would not get into that trade. Although, hello, it does create a new lower high right there as well. Oh man, I can't believe we got in right there though. It's kind of a messed up one. I don't know if we want to count this. Overall trend is up, so, and it looks like we were just a bit too early there, unfortunately. Oh, I guess we could put it out. Clear swing low. Okay. Usually we don't want to continue those. So let's see. What trend is up? So just sell. Non-obvious. Alright, so this was another signal bar. And no trade, unfortunately. Clear swing low. Weird signal bar. I don't think we get into this one at all, yeah. Alright. Swing low. First entry, I saw this spike ups, but let's see if we can actually figure this out. Ooh. Okay, well, nothing, no information. Overall trend could be up, so now. But we do have the break of this trend as well. So, deleting that, what do we see besides that? Straight overall downtrend, that's what we see. Oh, it's before a trend, you want to take into consideration of all the lows and highs. So in this case, they're scattered, so we delete that and we act upon this. So overall trend just going to be down still, even after the leg. So you just go for the buy right above there, and then cool. I didn't know how high it pushed up. I knew it pushed up. Okay. Alright, swing high. Let's see. Which one's our... Oh, that's our signal bar. Does it push lower? Who knows? Let's say it does. Overall trend just up. The highs are over there. Let's go for the sell. Non-obvious sell. Or we would sell at this low end actually. Question is, did it push down first? Probably did push down first since it closed up there. So we would actually be in this trade unfortunately, and we would have got stopped out, I think. Zang. We liked it. Okay, there's another L. I don't think we have written down a win on this yet ever since I started writing on this. Overall trend is up unless, hold on. Overall trend is down. Look at that. Every move in here is a spike. So overall trend is going to be down. This is the low. That's not it. That's it. So overall trend is going to be down after hitting that. You're still inside the trend, so you're actually going to go for a buy at a non-obvious. So actually, we could save that L. Non-obvious buy. We would not get anything in it. There's one there, but it's not a good one because we already had a triggered one. So maybe we, yeah. Low. Alright, let's see, what would we do here? Looks like we have a nice trend working here. Can't see the high of this thing. Maybe it's there, but that's kind of pushing it. We'll save this here for now. World trend is up. We created this significant low, unless we actually broke this trend, in which I think we already did, to be honest. So this is probably irrelevant. So overall trend is actually still down. Non-obvious sell. That's our signal bar, and then nothing. Clear swing high, so I'm waiting for the lower high, which is way over here. Okay, there it is. So what are we doing here? Overall trend is massively down. Huge spike. Trend, question mark? Doesn't matter, that's just a spike. Overall trend's down. Non-obvious buy is the best thing I could come up with, unfortunately. We would be in the trade right around here. Our trade would be 1150 right here, so we get in. And yeah, it works out. I mean, come on, that has to be 12 points, right? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Yeah. Easy. Also, swing low first century. We'll do this one real quick. Let's see. How come we didn't take this? We didn't like the setup or something? Overall trend is down. Non-obvious buy. Ooh, that's a tough one for sure. Oh, T entry point? Question mark? I don't think so. Trend's just down, it looks like. Non-obvious buy. Yeah, that one gets stepped out. Oh! Clear swing high. Not the clearest. Do you have that high there? Oh no, I would have wanted a little bit of a stronger trend up. See, like that. That's a clear swing high. You have a high there. Kind of a high there. So we would stay out of that. And plus it's also too soon, maybe a tad bit too soon. That's a clear swing low. Not the best first higher low. Clear, not clear. Nothing's clear. Clear, no. Already 11 o'clock in this day, sheesh. Yeah, nothing. Oh, clear, swing low. Okay. Okay. Alright, what are we doing here? That's our entry right there. Actually, we're entering on that bar, it looks like. So, right here, what are we doing? Like, oral trend could be down. Could be a trend right here. It's like that, but of course we already broke it. Be bigger. Oh, hello. Hey, okay, so we bounce off of that. Overall trend's gonna be up. We're still inside this trend, so it still counts. We still go for the sell. Where's overall trend? No, there's a massive spike in there, and there's overall trend could potentially be up. That means go first. Oh, what are we doing, Nick? What are we doing? Okay, think. I'm gonna have to go with our strat and say none of you selling this guy. Well, of course it gets burned though. But maybe we break it here and it doesn't really apply. Plus there's a massive spike in there. One move that's just beyond the rest. Maybe we don't draw this trend line. This could have been it. So yeah, that's the break. Overall trend is just down. And the break of that trend, overall trend is just down. No indication of reversal. You go for the buy actually. So yeah, that's actually correct. We just had to draw that. Clear swing high. No. Clear swing high. Okay, let's take it. Let's take it. Clear swing high. Lower highs right there. Let's see, what are we doing? I can't in a chart because I'm too lazy to go all the way back to this day. I don't see any type. Oh, looks like we just broke a trend. Unless oh, just bounced off the highs down. That's some data we can use. Reacting to the midline there. Overall trend's gonna be down, so we would go for a non-obvious buy. So our entry would be. Oh, no trade for us. Okay, good to know. We didn't spend all that time wasting trying to calculate where we would enter, but now we have a new swing high. Looks like we kind of break this trend. Let's see. Double check. No, I think we're still in. Kind of pushing it. Yeah, I think we broke it. So we could probably go ahead and delete that. Just overall trend up. So sell at the low end of this lower high. Ooh, never mind. Clear swing low. Sort of clear. Yeah, it's a good push low. Might wait for a better one actually. We could probably take it. Let's see. Swing low. There's two lows there as well, so and it's a huge push down. Yeah, let's see it. So high low. Looks like overall trend's up unless we can find a trend. That looks like it's being pushed really far. Huge spike as well. Overall trend's just up. Non-obvious sell, unfortunately. Let's see if we can. Alright, we would definitely be in the trade. Or would we? Actually, let's see. One tick away from getting into the entry. Unfortunate. Clear swing high for a century to 12 o'clock in this day, so interesting. Not many trades actually. Alright, let's go to the previous day. Alright, in the previous day, here's our first good decent swing low. And there's our higher low. Let's see. Looks like overall there might be a trend working here. And overall trend could just be up. Right up in there. Good measured moves in here. So overall trend's up. Go for a non-obvious, so maybe a push down first. Kind of weird trying to decide this one. We've in the trade and out the trade. Definitely got stepped out. Unless we drew the wrong trend? Question mark. No way. Hi, Fall. I'm Dado. Unless we kind of as a break. It's kind of tough getting these ones in that are right in the going into there. But yeah, we're trying to be up, unfortunately, and we would have to go for a sell. So I would call that an L. There's a lot of L's, so we're at 50% right now, so maybe the strat doesn't really work. Okay, clear swing high. Nope. Clear swing low. Alright, higher low. Let's see, what are we doing here? I don't see really. Oh, wait, hold on. There might be a trend working down. Ugh. What is that? So overall trend is up. For non-obvious sell. In the trade? Not the trade. Fuck. But if we were not to draw that trend, but 9 times out of 10 I would. That is a bigger spike. Is that calling it too much? Oh. Okay. Overall trend down. Overall trend down. Buy. So it does work. Okay, that was a tough one. 2 very big moves here. There's a smaller one in there though. So we would have to be lucky enough to be able to read that correctly. It's down. That sucks. Okay, clear swing high. I know for a fact this works on way down. So overall trend could just be up here. And oh, but we hit some high here. This is the most boring video ever, isn't it? I'm just trying to show proof that I'm not like making this stuff up, so that's why I'm recording everything. But maybe I'll just record what the setups look like. Nothing to prove to anyone. Looks like overall trend just up. So sell at a non-obvious, or right below this guy. I don't know if we actually get it. Okay, just making sure. Clear swing low. There's our higher low. And it is a higher low. Are we bouncing off of this guy? The clear. Cliche. Oh, we took it there too. Oh, approximately the exact same spot. But we'd be selling at a non-obvious up here. And we would not get in the trade to push lower. Okay, not the clear swing lows. Clear swing high. Oh. Do we like this one? I don't like this one. Okay, clear swing high. This one's a little bit better. Let's see. Overall trend looks like it's just up. I don't see any indication of a trend forming at all. Just this bigger one. Even this one seems a little pushy. This could be it. So if it is, overall trend be down. If not, overall trend is up. Is it a trend? I can see it being a trend. Oh. Oh, okay. Yeah. I could definitely see that. See the midnight reacting clearly there. So there's your lower high. You think this one is. So you would be going for non-obvious buy in the trade. Do we ever get the scalp? Let's see. So our entrance would be 83 3/4. So our enemy right here. Right up here, so 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Comes 1 tick short. Really. Hello? Unless overall trend was up, and just go for the sell. I think that one gets stopped out too, right? 2, wait, 2, 4, 6, 8. Yeah, that one. Damn it, dude. Okay, well, higher low here. Swing low, first entry. Looks like overall trend could just be down. We go for the buy. Oh, on a higher low off the key entry point. I don't like that. Yeah, we don't get it. So, unless we could see an overall uptrend here. Unless we could figure out that was actually an overall downtrend. No, it's still uptrend. Fuck. Fuck. Maybe a higher low off the key entry point is a buy. It's a cliche. So overall trend is down. So you go for a buy. Wait a minute. Overall trend is down. Oh no. Yeah. So sell, cliche, sell, non-obvious, entry, higher low off the key entry point. Is a sell here also works out, doesn't it? You'll get in right in here. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and just get it by the scalp. So higher. Oh wait, your entry is actually over here. Is this one, sir? So you would not get that trade, but same thing for that one. Higher low off the key entry point. Sell. Is that a cliche? Maybe. So I just wrote it down in the notes. Cliche, higher low off a key entry point. Off trend line. Key entry point. Go for a sell there. That would definitely work here. Wait, this is already 11 o'clock? Jesus, hold on. Okay, well, alright. June 11. July 11? July 11. Alright, clear swing low. We got a higher low right here. Let's think. Looks like overall trend is down. Maybe not obvious sell. Unless we have a trend. I don't see one at all. Not even to like draw. Maybe. That's just too much of a spike. So overall trend is just down. A buy. Like, did it correct too much? It looks like it might have corrected a lot. So maybe a buy is actually the best option here, or didn't already correct too much. Did not correct. I don't think it corrected too much. So overall trend is down. Maybe it did correct too much. Maybe it did correct because you have this lag and it corrected half of it. You see there's a correction maybe at the midpoint point. So overall trend is up, so sell. I'm compensating because I have a feeling it shoots down here, so that's the only unfortunate thing. So let's just see what happens. Let's say we buy. Yep, we got stepped out. So selling there because that is non-obvious, because overall trend is up at that point. It corrected a lot of it. We already have 6 losses, about 10 trades. That's a lot of failures. Actually, that's only if we were able to read it correctly too. Clear swing high, lower high. Overall trend looks to be up since we already declared it up. So we want to go for a sell right below. Let's go. Clear swing low. Nope. Clear swing low. Higher low. Potentially. Maybe a little bit tighter. Looks a little too flat to me. Looks like overall trend just might be down. Buy right up on that high. Yeah, I'll do that. And then we would have got our asses burned like a motherfucker. So, oh, trend. Maybe there is a trend. Potentially. The overall trend is up. Sell. Kind of pushy it, but hey, what can I say when you're gray? Overall trend up, non-obvious sell in the trade. That'd be an easy scalp. Let's put it as a win. So, a lot of this has to do with reading the chart correctly. Okay, let's read this correctly. Looks like there might be a trend here working down. Higher low after this guy means non-obvious sell in the trade. Ooh, good trade. Okay, cool. Obvious low. Okay. Had a break of this guy. Overall trend seems to be just down, so buy right above that guy. Let's go. Oh wait, I don't think it works out. Hold on. 10, 12. Damn it, dude. Fuck. Unless there's a bigger trend, then overall trend is up. Which it most definitely can, because you can see those two lows kind of lining up with that. If we just drag this out maybe over here, we can see the min line reacting. Overall trend is just up. None of it sell. Yep, easy trade. So it's really just a matter of getting everything correct in terms of the trend lines and yeah. So cliche. Is this a cliche? It looks like a cliche. So that means go against it. So buy at this low end right here. And I think we absolutely get burned here. Or, yeah, I'm pretty sure we get burned here. Oh, we got it. Let's go. Clear swing high. Alright, clear swing low. Sort of. Alright, overall trend down. Buy. I think we get stepped out. Oh, I like that buy a lot better. If that one barely got it, I don't think we get ours. Let's see. That's alright. And 4, 7. I don't think we got it at all. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Man, that's why we should wait for that. Swing low first entry, second entry. Maybe we go for smaller scalps on those. Because that one definitely works out. Wait, what is our... No, that's... I don't like that one, actually. Maybe we should start considering, like, actual highs. So there's an actual high, and there's your lower high. I think we can burn here. Overall trend's up. Unfortunately, we gotta go for a buy. And your asses would get burned like a motherfucker again. Maybe signal bars? Okay. I think we're about to get burned here. Cliche, non-obvious sell. Oh? Oh, hold on. We might actually have gotten it. 75 low. Yeah, we got it. I don't know how I feel about this. It's only one way to actually test these things, so let's do one more test and we'll do playback and that'll be at the end of this video. This hour-long video. Jesus Christ. Okay, let's see. Looks like overall trend could potentially be up. Pretty insignificant high. Sell. Yeah, I don't even know if I want to do a playback of this shit. Fucking shit, dude. Fuck. Unless, of course, this is a significant high. Excuse me. Then you would continue. Alright, let's give it one more shot. Get one more chance, guy. I'm like testing this stuff, it's already at 2 o'clock. Alright, that's gonna be it for this video. I don't know.